Hello everyone, today's video is about integrating a survey in our client's website or client's funnel inside Go High Level. For that, all we need to do is go to client sub account and then you will move to sites and next you will click on survey. Now here you can see the survey that we just created in our last video. Once you create a survey, you can click on edit and it will bring up the survey that you created. Now, if you look at the top right corner, you will see the integrate option. Now, if you're working on a website that is outside the Go High Level, then you can simply embed this code in your client's website. But if you're working on Go High Level website, then all you need to do is go to website section. Now, Go High Level provides a lot of website templates for your convenience. You can simply use those templates for your client's website and make changes in them depending upon your client's preference. Currently, I am working on this Go High Level template. So I'm going to select this one. And now you will click on the website page where you want to add your survey. For now, I'm going to select this page. Now we are inside the website page that we selected. Suppose you want to add the survey in this place. For that, you will remove this image. Then you will click on Add Element button. And this will bring up the element section where you will find out the survey option and then you will select the survey that you want to add here. Alright, we have added our survey inside our Go High Level website. Now, if you just want to add the survey as a separate section, then you will simply click on Add a Section button. Then you will add a row and next you will add an element. And that element will be survey. And then you will select the survey that you want to add here. Alright, we have added the survey as a separate section inside Go High Level. Now, if you want to add the survey inside Go High Level funnels, then you will simply go to Go High Level funnels. Now, just like Go High Level website template, Go High Level also provides the funnel templates. You can use that template and then you can make changes in those funnels depending upon your client's preference. For now, I will simply click on this funnel and next you will select the funnel step where you want to add your survey. Now, let's say I want to add the survey in this column. For that, I will simply remove this image. And I will add an element and that element will be survey. Now you will select the survey for your client's funnel. And here it is. We have added the survey inside our Go High Level funnel. Now you can also add the survey as a separate section just like we did in our websites. That was by adding the section, then by adding the row, and then adding an element. And that's it. Now this is how you can integrate the survey inside Go High Level. If you have any queries about Go High Level, you can ask in the comment section. And you can also save this playlist for free online Go High Level course. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.